In Unit 1, we explored the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, making a responsive website with media queries. In this unit, we'll integrate what we've learned in the first unit with Python and MySQL to add functionality to our web apps. Python is a back-end language, meaning that it runs on the server, serving the web app and handling most of the core functionality. MySQL is a database language used to create and manage databases. We'll use it to store our user data on our app. We need a login and sign-up form for our app, so in this module, we'll add these forms to our site. If you don't have a site from Unit 1, you can download the Surf School template from this module. First, we'll add a transparent bar called login bar to our site. Now we'll give it a height of 100 VH, a width of 400 pixels, and a background color of white with transparency using RGBA instead of hex color. Now we'll push it over slightly with a margin left of 100 pixels. This looks good when wide, but not mobile. So we'll go to our 700 pixel media query and make the login bar div take up 100% of the container with zero margin. You'll notice that we have a scroll bar on our page, even though we don't have any content to scroll. This can happen both vertically and horizontally. To get rid of this, we can set the overflow of our body to hidden. This looks better. Now we'll add the form. Our form will have an email input, a password input, and a login button. To style this form, we'll use pure CSS. We'll bring in the library and then use pure CSS's classes to style our form. Now we'll call input and button and give them both a width of 100%. We'll also give our form an all-around padding of 20 pixels. To space out our inputs and buttons, we'll apply a margin bottom of 10 pixels to each. If this doesn't work, then pure CSS's styling is taking precedence. To give our property precedence, we'll use !important. Now we'll create the link to the signup form and style both the paragraph and link tag. Let's copy and paste the login form and change it slightly for the signup, adding a confirm password input. Now we'll give both forms an ID. By default, we'll hide the signup form using display none. Now we'll add the JavaScript to show and hide the forms. When signup is clicked, we'll call a function hideLogin. This function will set the style of the form with the login form ID to display none, and set the style of the form with the ID of signup form to display block. Go ahead and complete this task, writing the function to hide the signup form and show the login form.